Welcome to StudyKwik, your trusted source for aviation and geography learning. Today's question is, what is the circumference of the parallel of latitude at 60 degrees north? Let's solve this step by step. Earth's equatorial circumference is approximately 40,075 kilometers. The circumference at any latitude is calculated by multiplying Earth's circumference by the cosine of the latitude angle. At 60 degrees north, cosine 60 degrees equals 0.5. Therefore, the circumference at 60 degrees north equals 40,075 multiplied by 0.5. This equals approximately 20,038 kilometers. So, the circumference of the parallel of latitude at 60 degrees north is approximately 20,038 kilometers.